Hey, what's up? So I'm here. I'm here up in the north, and I'm meeting with the most badass pilots on planet Earth. George is there, FcoreFPV. Brad is there, JinxFPV. I'm not sure if Jason is there. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. They're there, right there. Yeah, I think that's Jason. Yeah, I think that's Jason for FCore. Yeah, so glad to see these guys again. Yeah, can't wait to fly in. Yeah, it's so cool here. It's a big spot. I don't know what they usually. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Is that DanZ? Hey, what's up? Those four guys are the badass pilots on planet Earth. There you go. Nice.
Bro, you're badass.
DanZ, FCore, FcoreFPV, and JinxFPV. There you go.
That's Neil.
And me, Neil. Whoa. All right, guys, we'll get started.
We're here, and you're doing the tree holes, gaps, and now you're sending it over.
All right, guys. So we're gonna dive. There's a hole there. Okay, we're gonna hit it. It's a 70 feet tall tree, or maybe more. Yeah. So we're gonna hit it. It's gonna be my first time doing this dive, and George has been guiding me on what to do. So we were here earlier, and he gave me tons of good advice, and we were studying like where should I come from, and we're studying the wind as well. The wind is coming from there towards here, and then if you see, if I come from here, it's gonna be a lot of ride, and then this is the hole that he's telling me to enter. Yeah, that one. Yeah, we'll see. And then hopefully with my bad eyes I'll be able to enter that gap. Yeah, right there. Where's it? Yeah, right there. We're gonna enter there. We have to send it, guys, or else we won't learn how to fly, right? So yeah, he told me to come from there because that's gonna be shorter. Yeah, just like about 30 feet. And what he also told me is that don't do a split S right away. Go up really high so that you can see everything and you can see the hole, and then from there decide if you think you can actually enter or you can dive. Yeah, we'll see, guys. So yeah, it's cool. I like this spot a lot. There's so many cool, like, I don't know what's knife. Yeah, knife thing. Yeah, knife edge move. I don't know. Yeah, so we'll see. Yeah, that's Brad, George, Jason, and DanZ. These guys are pushing me really hard, which is really awesome. Yeah, alrighty, guys. Let's get started.
know how far this goes. You'll find middle ground, merry-go round. You will never know how far this goes. You'll find middle ground, merry-go round.
I've got a very good mentor.
The big white bull.
Him. Yo, that's my mentor. Yeah.
I got you.
Thank you.
Whatever you want, I got you.
Cool. That was really nice. I was trying to avoid the branch.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna hit it. Oh.
That was insane, dude. That was so cool.
That was the craziest shit I ever saw you
Good
do.
shit, Neil.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, the bar is going higher and higher. Dude.
Only when I'm with you guys.
I mean,
I'm pushed.
Yeah.
I like it.
honestly, that was insane. I think I would be worn.
Mm.